Goats have one of the most unusual eyes in the animal kingdom, featuring distinctive rectangular-shaped pupils instead of the round ones most mammals possess. These unique rectangular pupils aren't just a quirky feature. They serve a crucial survival function for these nimble mountain dwellers. Their horizontal pupils provide goats with an incredible 340-degree field of vision, allowing them to detect movement almost all the way around their bodies without turning their heads. This specialized eye structure evolved specifically to help goats spot predators, approaching from almost any direction while they continue grazing. The horizontal shape of their pupils also helps them control the amount of bright light entering from above, while maximizing their ability to see movement along the horizon where predators often appear. Many prey animals like goats and sheep have evolved similar horizontal pupils, while predators like cats often have vertical slits, each shape perfectly adapted to their survival needs in the wild.